Daddy, I'm beating up the ghost. You get that ghost. Beat it up. Come on, kick that ghost ass. Get it. Get that ghost. You show that ghost who's boss.
Are you recording it?
Yep. So funny. Get that ghost. You get that ghost. Boss. You beat the shit out of that thing. Eat it. Bite it. She's gonna drool all over it. That's my ghost. It's so funny.
Let go.
She's like, Bose, give me a blowjob. Oh, that's so funny.
Daddy said that on camera.
Yeah, it's funny. Get that ghost, that's my ghost. Go back to hell, you ghost.
Your mom's watching.
He's going after it.
The whole neighborhood can hear you.
I'm gonna bite it. That's the funniest shit ever. Wow. How funny.
The neighbors are coming out.
Hi, sweetheart. You killed that ghost. Alright.